You've used Claude, you've run a skill or two, but the second someone says build an agent from scratch, you freeze. Because nobody ever explained what an agent, a skill, and a tool actually are, or how they're different. That gap is exactly why most agent tutorials fall apart the moment you leave the demo. Today, that gap closes when we build the first real file of a working agent together. We are building one real agent end-to-end across 5 parts. No toy demo, same repo, every part. There's one question I want you to keep asking yourself through this entire series, because it's the thing that untangles every confusing piece of agent terminology you'll run into. Are you sensing, thinking, or acting? By the end of today, you'll know exactly what an agent, a skill, and a tool each are, and you'll have a real skill directory sitting in your own project, ready to be wired up to actual code next part. 4 words get thrown around like they're interchangeable, and they're not. The agent is the worker. It coordinates the whole job. The skill is the playbook. It tells the agent how to do the job consistently, the same way every time. The tool is the worker's hands. It's what actually touches the outside world. Fetching a web page, sending an email, writing a file. And the artifact is the output, the concrete thing that gets produced at the end. Here's the line I want stuck in your head for the rest of this series. The agent is the worker, the skill is the playbook, and the tools are the worker's hands. A skill with no agent is just a document. An agent with no tools can think all day and never touch anything real. You need all 4 working together before you have something worth calling an agent. Every agent, no matter how complicated it looks, breaks down into 3 stages. Sense, collect information from the outside world. Think, process it, apply judgment, decide what matters, act, produce something, and deliver it. The agent we are building, that's not abstract. It's the exact 3 things this agent needs to do every morning. Sense. Pull articles from a fixed list of trusted sources. Think. Filter out anything old. Dedupe overlapping stories. Rank by importance. Write summaries. Act. Format all of that into a real digest file using a template and eventually deliver it somewhere a human will actually read it. Here's the detail that trips people up first. Not everything in Think belongs to the AI. Let's understand this with example. Imagine we are building an agent that reviews your inbox every morning and shows you the emails that need attention. Normal code is perfect for tasks with clear rules and exact answers. These are simple checks. There is no reason to send them to an expensive AI model. Now, imagine 2 emails. Both emails may come from the same person and contain similar words, but the second email is clearly more urgent. This is where AI is useful. The simple rule. Use ordinary code to check facts. Use AI to understand meaning. Do not ask an AI model whether an email arrived today. Code can calculate that exactly. Ask the AI model which email needs your attention first. That requires judgment. Sense, think, act. 3 stages, and only some of think is actually the model's job. Now let's stop talking about it and go build the file structure that makes this real. Here's the skill directory we're building right now in this project. Notice something. This maps directly onto the 3 stages from a minute ago. SKILL.md is the think file. Trusted_sources.md is the sense file. Morning_digest.md is the act file. That's not a coincidence. A well-built skill directory is the sense, think, act model turned into actual files on disk. This is the whole point of a skill. It's not code and it's not magic. It's structured instructions that make the agent do the same job, the same correct way, every single time you run it, instead of improvising a slightly different process on every invocation. Let's open the first one. The file that does the actual thinking. SKILL.md is the playbook. It's where the filtering rules, the dedup logic, the ranking criteria, and the output format all live, written as instructions, not code. When this agent runs, it reads this file first and follows it step by step. Which sources are trusted? How old is too old? How to spot 2 articles covering the same event? How many stories make the final cut? And exactly what the output should look like. Here's the part worth sitting with. Nothing in this file executes anything. It's prose. But that prose is what turns an AI wrote something into an AI followed the same process it followed yesterday and will follow again tomorrow. Consistency is the entire value of a skill. SKILL.md is the think stage, written as rules a model can follow exactly. But the think file is useless without something to think about. That's the next file. If you've made it this far, this is the part that stops being theory. The next 4 minutes are where this stops being 3 files in a folder and becomes a working skill you can invoke yourself. Today in your own project. Trusted_sources.md is the sense file. It's the approved list. Source name, feed URL, category. Nothing gets fetched that isn't on this list. Why does this matter enough to be its own file instead of a line inside SKILL.md? Because the rules for how to process news and the list of where news comes from change independently. You'll add or drop a source constantly as you tune this agent. You'll almost never touch the ranking logic once it's dialed in. Splitting them means editing one doesn't risk breaking the other. This is also your safety boundary. An agent that can fetch from anywhere is an agent you can't fully trust. An agent that can only fetch from a named reviewed list is one you can hand a schedule to and walk away from. Last file. The one that decides what the finished product actually looks like. Morning_digest.md is the act file, the template. When the agent produces the final briefing, it doesn't invent a new layout every time. It fills in this exact structure. That's the difference between an agent you can rely on and one you can't. Without a template, you get a different looking digest every morning. With a template, the shape of the output is locked and the model's only job is filling in good content inside it. 3 files done. Think, sense, and act, each with its own file. Here's exactly where that leaves us. Say it with me one more time, because this is the line that carries the whole series. Today, you built the playbook. A skill is just structured instructions, no code required, and it's what makes every run of this agent consistent instead of improvised. That's real, and it's sitting in your project right now if you followed along. But notice what's missing. This skill can tell an agent exactly how to filter, rank, and format news. It cannot, on its own, go get that news. There's no RSS fetcher yet. No agent has actually run this skill. Right now, it's a very well-organized set of instructions with nothing to process. The skill exists, think and act are defined, but it can't collect data yet. That's exactly what Part 2 fixes. If you're following this build, subscribe now. Part 2 goes up next, and it picks up in this exact repo, not a new project.